Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Nikki here, and today I have a very special little unboxing. A very quick backstory. For ages I have wanted a leather cover for my Hobonichi. I've been on many websites, I've looked at hundreds of options, but deep down I didn't really know what I wanted, and I wanted to buy from an Australian company. I made that decision. I looked at Gillio, I looked at all sorts of things, and I went, no, I really want to support an Australian. So I found a little post, I think it was on Facebook, about this company, and they were having a little sale. Now, I have looked at her website before, but she makes the most beautiful custom things, but I couldn't decide what I wanted. But I went and had a look, and she had this little beauty on sale. So let's open this up. Now, it just so happens I ordered this from her sale. It's, whoops, a daisy. Oh yes, there we go. No, I've gone and tied a knot now. Oh dear. That's not going to work. All right, never mind. We'll try and do it this way. She makes beautiful custom items, but every time I've gone to the website, I can't decide which leather to buy or whatever. This one was ready-made, and it just so happens that she lives in the next suburb to me. So I ordered it, and guess what was hand delivered later that night? I could not believe my luck. So this has come from a company called Harmoni, and she hand makes beautiful leather things. So let's hope it is as beautiful as what I think it's going to be. Oh my gosh, have a look at this. This is stunning. Oh my gosh, it feels beautiful. It's incredibly soft. And I would imagine this will mark probably quite easily and will patina beautifully over the years. Oh my gosh, have a look at this. Now, the reason why I fell in love with this one was because look at all these pockets. I do love pockets to put pretty things in. So this one is an actual cover designed for a Hobonichi weeks, and that is what I've been using for the last 2 years, and I have already got my 2022, so I'm ready to go. The other thing that was very important to me was that a cover-on-cover Hobonichi will fit inside. I'll show you what I'm using at the moment and why I'm so disappointed in a sec. But let's just have a look at this. Oh my gosh, I can smell it already. Oh my, it is beautiful. So this is from Harmoni. It is made from bovine and kangaroo. I believe it is bovine outside and kangaroo is on the inside, and I think this is because this is a little bit thinner, so that way it doesn't end up too chunky. As you can see, it's not too chunky at all, and it has all these beautiful pockets. It included this little notebook, which is on one of the strings. I've still then got one that I can use there. And of course, there is the back flap, which is just plain, and that's perfect because the intention, of course, is to put my Hobonichi weeks with the cover on. And look at that. Oh my gosh, it is the perfect fit. Have a look at this. Oh boy. And look, there we go. I have room in there to add other little things. Oh, beautiful natural color. This is honestly exactly what I was after. It is just perfect. And the reason why I'm loving this so much, this is what I am currently using. Now, this is not leather. This is a print pression. I purchased this off one of the D-Stash pages because that lilac color, let's be honest, it is magnificent. And it is spring here in Australia. I purchased this already a few months ago, and I just thought it was the most beautiful colour to use for spring. But what really annoys me with these print pression ones is that my weeks with the cover on cover does not fit in the allocated space. It's too chunky. So I'm really disappointed because I have to use one of the strings. And although it works, I don't like this lumpy bit here. I have to take the planner out if I want to use it. So look, I know it's silly. It's a very minor detail, but it is annoying because this is supposedly a Hobonichi Weeks cover, but it doesn't allow for a cover on cover. And the reason why the cover on cover is so important to me is that I don't care what colour my Hobonichi Weeks actually is, because I always create a cover with scrapbook paper or whatever I feel like using to match the season. So this is my spring one. It's got some gorgeous cacti on it. I have a Christmas one. I'll probably make a new Christmas one. I have a Halloween one. I do a summer one. So it really doesn't matter. I just bought this one because I loved that brilliant blue, and I love anything sort of ocean colours. They're a favourite of mine. But I'll probably never really see the blue because this is what I like to do. This one that I'm using this year is I think it's black with the white stripe. I don't care because I usually cover it. So if I didn't want to use the cover on cover, then this would be fine. I really do. I love the setup, but it just annoyed me that it didn't fit. So when I saw this on the website, I went, Hobonichi Weeks. Well, that's all very nice, but will it actually fit a cover on cover? So I checked the dimensions, and lo and behold, look at that. It's absolutely perfect. Nice firm fit. I like that. It's not going to be falling out in a hurry. And of course, I have the 2 elastics that I can use. Now, one of the reasons being is I have a few things in here that I want to transfer over, but I also have this jazzy thing, which I have used before in a traveler's notebook style cover. And I'm thinking I will just maybe get rid of that for a minute. I can pop that in under there because I do have a beautiful pocket, so that does work. Or I can transfer all of this and pop it into this great little pouch. But so the plan is, will this fit? I don't know. Let's wait and see. It may not fit because this is, wait a minute. Does that actually fit? Okay, so it does stick out a tiny bit. Don't know if I like that or not, because this is designed for a standard traveler's notebook, and this is a tiny bit, like the length is fine. It's just that it does stick out a bit. I will ponder that. Haven't decided whether I'll use that or not, but I do find this quite handy because I can put all sorts of goodies in it. And then if I wanted to, I could put this little notebook in this bit here. Oh, look, that would work too. Oh, decisions, the things us planner girls have to go through, honestly. But I'm not sure about that yet because technically it is a little bit wide, and I don't know. That may annoy me. It may not. We'll think about that. But there we go. So here is this stunning cover. Now, this has a beautiful cream stitching, and oh my God, it is seriously gorgeous. Oh, I do think I prefer without that hanging out. Might have to see what else we can find that would do a similar sort of job. So there we go. Have a look at that. It is just stunning, and it feels so soft and so lush. I absolutely adore it. So if you'd like to go and have a look, she also does fabulous bags. She does covers of all different sizes in quite a few different colors. I just wanted a natural leather colored one, so that's what I got. And it's Harmony with an I, not Harmony with a Y. So Harmony B, you can find her on Instagram, and she has a Facebook page too. So Helen is the most lovely lady. We ended up chatting for quite some time about junk journals and planners and all sorts of things. So if you're interested, she's having a sale at the moment. Please pop on and have a look. But I absolutely adore this. I am so happy with it. It is just beautiful. And this is something that I will just be able to use for practically forever. That's why I wanted a gorgeous leather one. Just something that I can use when I travel again overseas, which hopefully won't be too far away. And it goes with everything. So I probably won't start using this till the new year because I have another beautiful red Traveler's Notebook cover that I think I will use for the month of December because it's very festive. So I think we'll have a little festive planner makeover for that. And then I'll start with this with my brand new Hobonichi on the 1st of January. So there we go, guys. This is my lovely little arrival for this week. I am so happy with it. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did. I do planner and paper crafting videos. And until next time, please stay safe and stay healthy. Bye for now.